What is this on my shoulders? This is an abandoned military complex on the suburbs of Munich, and here they were storing ammunition. We will go inside and have a look. But what does this place mean, and why is there an airstrip right over there? Now the point is that you have to imagine that back after the Second World War in the 50s, the 60s, the 70s, and even of part of the 80s, here was the border between the West and the East, the border between the North Atlantic Organization and the Warsaw Pact. So here is where Russia and the US set their border. Now, of course, many years have passed, and now the borders where the West extend has moved much, much east. And here there is not anymore much to protect because we are not afraid of such an invasion here today. But nonetheless, this place was here to protect the land. And as you can see, this kind of bunker, they are like hidden behind a small hill of earth. And this hill is meant to conceal and hide the location of the bunker. And what is left here? What is left here inside the building? Not much really. You see a lot of graffiti on the wall. And when I step inside, yeah, you see a lot of ruins on the floor because the roof has collapsed. So nothing is really safe here anymore. And we can look at these other rooms. We can sneak inside. There's still the door. Not much left here either. Again, the roof has collapsed. There is, however, one room where the roof is still intact, so we can have a look there. Actually, see also some weird objects like this wire here. I'm not sure what this wire is really for. Nonetheless, as I mentioned, there is one roof still intact, which is in this room here, over here. So now we have a light on the camera to see what's going on. There is just a bunch of graffiti, and here you can see how it would look like in the past. And yeah, there's somebody has painted the Adidas logo. I mean, clearly showing that we are in Germany, but this place, yeah, completely abandoned. Let's get out of here. Now this room is a bit weird. Somebody has hidden a bicycle inside. Don't ask me why. It's completely disrepaired. And there is something hanging on the floor. I'm not sure what this is supposed to represent. And here we are on top of one of these bunkers. As you can see, this is very, very well hidden so that nobody would spot from above what's going on here. You can see from far away, it's kind of like artificial hills, right? Now from here we can tell that something is going on, but imagine a plane flying high, they would not realize what's hidden down here. This is an abandoned airstrip. Now the place full of ammunition used to come here, land, unload, unpack and move everything to the bunkers right there where we have seen them. Nowadays this place is not an airstrip anymore. Actually we have a skateboard park over there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this video. Leave me a comment with what you think about it. And from the skate park where the military installation on the airstrip used to be, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.